We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the roof line, we went in, took out the old asbestos piping that was up there and put in some dual wall B-vent. We did clear away some of the framing that was in the way, so it's got 1-inch clearance. Also installed a sealing bucket. It's not required, but we just like something to contain the pipe coming through. You can see the rings knocked out for a 4-inch opening and the pipe stubbed down a little bit low. But it's all strapped in there. We got straps on the bucket attached to the B-vent, and then also everything's screwed, around the perimeter. 1, 2, 3 screws per joint all the way down to the draft diverter. Up at the top, we did replace the nipples in the wall. The 3/4-inch piping was corroded, so we give you a new stub out on the cold and the hot. Give you a new brass valve, brass connector, or a brass nipple, and of course Falcon stainless steel connectors down to brass extensions on the tank. Got your relief valve, short little nipple, and then of course Falcon stainless steel connector. Now these are full 3/4-inch inside diameter. That's why we leave the tags on those. Sorry about the not focusing. It's dark in here, but these are full 3/4-inch inside diameter. So that is code for a relief line. That's your line back there that we tied into, so that's good. Upper third, we got an adjustable strap. Lower third, we got an adjustable strap over here. Sorry about the lack of light. Brand new gas valve back there. Brand new connector down to a little T, and that's your drip leg or your dirt leg right here. 4-inch nipple with a cap on it. And so burner's lit. Leave it at 120. That's hot 120. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. So if you just leave it right there, you'll be fine. Anyways, about an hour and a half. Oh, one more thing. We did give you a new stand as well. This one was completely corroded and rotted away. So, matter of fact, the water heater stand fell apart and the water heater collapsed. So, brand new quick stand. That's code UPC. And so, anyways, outside of that, this installation is done.